From this week, you're going to use screen recording to demonstrate your GarageBand work and upload it to Shobi. This is how you do it. First of all, click the Home button and go to Settings, which is the grey cog at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in there, on the left-hand side, choose Control Center, and if it's not already in that included controls, you need to select Screen Record. If it's there already, that's fine, but usually it would appear down towards the bottom under More Controls. I'm having to do this at the moment with Screen Recorded included because I'm using Screen Record to create this video. Then, once you're done with that, you press Home and go into your GarageBand work. Don't be put off by this. This is a little bit further on to the project than we've got so far. And all you do, draw one finger down from the top right hand corner of your screen, and you can see whether there's a red circle flashing at the bottom. You'll hold your finger down on that button and let go, and it will ask you, do you want the microphone on or off? You want the microphone off, unless you're making a voiceover, which in most cases you won't be doing. Okay, and then all you do is, having pressed record, you tap in the middle of the screen, press play on the section that you want to show me. Press stop, then go back to that little menu at the top corner and press the record button again. And once you've pressed that screen record button, after a few seconds, something will pop up on the screen to say that it's saved the video to your photos. And from the photos, you can then upload it to Shobi.